Hello YouTubers, today we'll be doing fractions to mixed numbers and we're going to convert the fractions into mixed numbers. So let's do question 2. Let's explain question 1. Question 1, it gives 14 over 3. I have put 4 and 2/3. Why this is because 3 can go into 14 4 times, giving a total of 12. Then there are 2 more left until it gives 14. So there will be 2/3 more after the 4 lots in 3. Which means 12 plus 2 would be 14 over 3. But right now we are converting them into mixed numbers. Second, 110 over 17. Now, you need to figure out how many times 17 can go into this 110. If you work this out, you can get a total of 102 before it goes over 110. 17 times 6 is 102. So you can have 6 wholes of 17 giving you 102. Then you have 8 left over. Now this 17 cannot go into this anymore, because if you went to 7 wholes, then it will be a total of 119, and that's way over our total score. So our denominator will be 17 like it is before, and then we will have 6 wholes, 17 times 6, 102, and with a leftover of 8. That gives us a total of 8 17ths.
Amazing. Great job, Hayden.
That means the answer is 6 8/17. Number 3, 156 over 14. Now, how to make this into a mixed number? How many times can 14 go into 146? If you work this out, it can go 11 times before going over the amount. 14 times 11 will be 154, and that gives us 2 extra. So we've got an 11 whole, and we can't go to 12 or we'll go over a total 156. We've got a denominator of 14 and a numerator. Because we got 154, there's 2 more left until 156, so it will be 11 and 2/14. But our numerator can also be 1, and our denominator can also be 7, because if we simplify it, we can divide both sides by 2, giving us a total of 11 and 1/7.
Excellent job.
Now, 4, 118 over 13. How many times can 13 go into 118? Now, if you calculate this, you can see that it can go to 9 times, giving us a total of 117. This gives us 9 wholes of 13. And has a total of 117. But our total is 118, so we have a 13 as a denominator and 1, because we've only got 1 before 118 from 117 to get 9 and 1/13. Next one, 5. Our fraction is 52 over 6. And if you work this out, 6 can go into 52 8 times. This gives us a total of 48 and a whole number of 8. That means there are 8 6s. There are 8 wholes of 6, and that gives us 48. Now our top is 52. And that means we have 4 left over. That means we have a denominator of 6, like before, and a numerator of 4. But if we see here, before on our 1/13, the numerator was already 1. But here, you can divide both sides by 2, giving us a total of 2/3.